Hello and welcome to all of you. This is the Lotus Media Productions blog. This is Jeremy Mosier and I am the President and Creative Director of Lotus Media. Today we are going to talk about the new feature inside of Facebook that you can actually see here on my screen, and it's called Create Your Call to Action. Now this is a new button, new functionality that has been released inside of Facebook relatively recently, so if you have not taken advantage of it, now is an optimal time to do so, as we are all trying as entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, organizations, etc., to get additional traffic flow to our organizations to create success in 2015. So as we get started here, the first thing that you're going to do is come into your page, however you navigate to that, typically on your timeline. That's going to be over to the left-hand side. And once you're on your page, the page that you manage, and you may have multiple, so you can do this for all of your websites, all of the pages that you have within inside of Facebook, you're going to click on this Create Call to Action. It is actually going to pop up a screen that is going to walk you through this process. So the first thing that you've got to decide is what type of button do you want to be there. And there's a whole list here. So you could have a book now if perhaps your business is appointment oriented. You could have contact us if you want people just simply to send you information via a contact page that perhaps is on your website. If you have an app that you have developed, you can send folks directly to that. If you perhaps have a gaming environment, you can do that as well. Shop Now is the preset. They can sign up. So perhaps if your first level introduction to your organization is an opt-in, then you could send them to that opt-in page, whether that's a squeeze page or directly to your homepage of your website that maybe has a pop-up opt-in waiting for them. Or the last thing that you could do is actually send them to watch a video inside of Facebook. So lots of options here. What I am going to do for now is actually do a contact us page. The reason I'm doing that is because we have several different ways by which people may introduce themselves into our organization. But from this space, I actually want to get people to provide us some additional information so that we can make the best decisions about them. So they actually fill out a survey and request a 30-minute consultation with us. So that's what I'm going to do for now. So I'm going to click on the Contact Us selection here. And I'm actually going to jump over to the Lotus Media Productions website, and I'm going to go to the home screen. And from the home screen, there's actually a button here that says Request a Free Consultation. I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to grab this URL. So wherever it is that you want them to go to, you're just going to find that URL, and you're going to copy it into the website link here. Now, if you have a different version of your website that is mobile friendly, you can customize this link for that. In this case, our links are both website and mobile friendly, so we'll just go ahead and use the same URL link for both of those. You click the next button down here at the bottom, and this is just actually giving you a little bit more specificity. So if you have someone coming in from an iOS device, so any Apple product, either an iPhone or an iPad, any of those things that are run on the iOS system, then you can send them either to the website or to an app. So in this case, we're just going to leave it alone and set it as the website. And then also for the Android operating system, you can do the exact same thing. In our case, we're going to leave all that alone and send them to the website regardless of where they're coming from. And once you're done here, you just click Create. So you'll see now that the Contact Us call to action button is now available from the Facebook screen here. So that's a pretty cool way. Hopefully it drives additional traffic to you. And let us know any questions, or if you would like to work with us, you can actually come to the Lotus Media page and fill out the Contact Us form and sign up for a 30-minute consultation to take next steps. Thanks again. This is Jeremy Mosier, President and Creative Director of Lotus Media Production.